Hello, it's James, the trader strategist here again. Welcome to another video where I'll be sharing with you a free automated trading strategy on binarytools.io. All right. So in this channel, we teach specific and secret strategies on how to always be profitable in trading. We teach strategies in synthetic trading, we teach in crypto trading, we teach in forex trading. All right, so if that seems to be what you like, subscribe to this channel. We'll be bringing you profitable strategies on how to always be on the winning side when it comes to trading. All right, so have you been losing too many times? Stick to us and we'll be revealing to you several strategies, winning strategies on how to always be profitable. All right, so now we have a bot already running. I want this to be live. Our target is maybe 500 and something dollars thereabout. All right, so we already have some wins, 4 wins, 0 losses. All right, so let's see this run by itself. Let's see this running by itself. All right, so the link to get this free bot is in the description of this video. So all you need to do is to go to the description of this video and join the Telegram channel. All right, because when you join it, that's where you find the free bot and several other free bots we've been posting, and then updates on our videos, updates on our new strategies. I'll be teaching you how to avoid the manipulations in the markets. All right, so it's important you don't just download the bot and move on. You stick to us, join the channel. We'll be dropping updates, several updates, as many as possible to make you profitable in the forex, synthetic, crypto markets and all the other markets. All right, so let's watch and see what happens. Let's watch and see. So this bot analyzes the market and ensures you pick the best of the trades. All right, so my advice is not to trade for more than 30 minutes to 1 hour. All right, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's wait and see if we'll have new trades. We already have 4 wins in a row. Okay, this is a live trade. It's analyzing. It uses the RSI. When it sees a certain signal, I don't want to bore you with all the other logistics. So, but now it's picking a trade. Still. So when we have 2 straight wins on the virtual, so this bot uses a virtual hook. All right, it uses a virtual hook, and then after 2 losses on the virtual account, it comes to the real account and then trades on the real account. All right, so if I'm able to have 2 consecutive wins in the virtual account, it switches on to the real account and then trades. All right, so you don't blow your account because of a streak of losses. So when the signal begins to have losses, it does not trade in your real account. All right, so it tries as much as possible to avoid you blowing your account in no distant time. All right, so let's watch and see. Just sit back and watch how this goes. Is this going to be a win? Okay, still a loss. So you can imagine if we were trading on our real account, that if we did not apply the virtual hook, this would have been 4 losses in a row. 4 losses in a row, which would not have been good for our account. So that's why we needed to put in virtual hook. All right, so let me scroll down so you can see So after 2 wins, we switch on to the real account. Okay, so let me show you some of the settings. So you see here, I wouldn't bore you with the logistics, so but you can change your take profit, change the investment, your stop loss. I'm using the derived market, continuous indices, and then volatility 75 1s. You can use any of the other volatilities, all right, and try it out. And then these other settings are left the same way. Okay, so you can change the inputs here. Make sure you try yours on the demo account before you switch on to your real account. Don't be greedy. Don't move on to real account when you are not certain you are confident enough to go to the real account. All right, so keep trying on your demo account until you have perfected the strategy. All right, let's see. Okay, this is a win. This is a win. All right, so let's see if this will also be a win. Then it will switch on to the real account. So let's watch out and see. Let's watch us. Okay, so 2 wins now. We believe it will switch on to the real account. Okay, so let's see. We already have 4 wins in a row. Let's see. Just be patient. Let's see. So while you are watching and while we are waiting for us to get what we desire, like this video. That's the best, or that's the least you can do for us. Like this video right now. Please like this video. Give it a thumbs up. So is this a win? Is this a win? Is this a win? This strategy is very, very good. It's very good. Okay, that's a win. 5 wins in a row. So depending on your account size and your take profit target, you can, even when you have 5 wins or 6 or 7 wins, you can just leave the market and come back in about an hour or 2 hours. All right, so don't be greedy. Don't trade and say you want to make all the money once. So but I'm going to try to see if I can get up to $500 just with this trade. All right, so subscribe to this channel. There are several other strategies we have been releasing and we will continue to release. All right, so all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that when we release this kind of videos, even cryptocurrency trading videos and strategies, forex trading videos and strategies, you'll be the first to be notified and to take action. All right, so click on the notification bell after you subscribed. Okay, so when it has had a win, the next thing it does is to switch over to the virtual account. All right, so until it has 2 wins again in the virtual account before it switches over to the real account. All right, so that's how this bot works. That's how this bot works. We've paid so much to get this bot, and now you're having it for completely free. All you can do for us is to subscribe to the channel. Like this video, make a comment in the description box. Do you have questions? Do you have are there queries? Just drop it in the description box and we'll attend to it. So you saw that we now have 6 wins in a row. If this is a win, then it will switch on to the real account again. Okay, so let's wait and see. It's taking its time to analyze the market, right? It's taking its time to analyze the market so that it can try as much as possible to make less errors. Okay, so let's watch and see how this goes. How much time do we have? Just be patient. Watch. The more you sit back and learn, the the tendency of you making mistakes. All right, so don't be in a hurry to click off the video. Keep watching. Let's see how it goes. All right, so that you'll be able to implement this strategy yourself without making mistakes, without blowing your account. All right, so let's watch and see. Let's just sit back and watch this play out our way. All right, okay, you can see we've had a total of, okay, this is the 7th run, and this is going to be in our real account. Oh, that's a loss. Okay, let's see how it goes. That's a loss. So what would happen is, since we've made the first loss, let's see the magic this bot is going to apply. Is it going to use a martingale? A martingale is like a multiplier, so as to recover losses. Let's see how much martingale is going to use, so that you can also prepare in case you have any loss while you're running the bot. Okay, so it switches over to the virtual account, virtual hook. After the first win, it waits for another win and then switches on to the real account. So it only trades on the call, that's the rise market, rather than the put. Okay, so that's what this strategy is all about. Okay, so let's watch. Just sit back. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on any of our subsequent videos. All right, subscribe. Let's keep watching. It's analyzing the market to ensure a much more accurate result. The accuracy is very high, especially I advise you trade at night. You can also try out the strategy in the daytime. All right, try it out in the daytime and see if it works for you. Try it out also with your demo. All right, so if you want to join this platform, so this is the Deriv platform. Register on Deriv through the link in the description of this video. All right, you get registered on this platform, you get verified, they'll give you $10,000 virtual money, all right, on your demo account, so you can use to try these strategies out. Okay, so when you are confident and satisfied with the use of this bot, you can then switch over and credit your account and then use it. All right, so subscribe to this channel. We have lots of content, lots of strategies. Personally, for me, I don't repeat a strategy 2-3 times consecutively. All right, well, because some of these brokers, they are paying attention to your account and they want to, you are trading against them. Okay, in this case, when you trade synthetic indices, higher, lower, call, put, rise, fall, touches, not touches, you are trading against the brokers. All right, so they are doing everything possible to monitor your trade. So what you do is, when you trade, you try to clear your browser cache. All right, and then you, like, let's say you've joined the Telegram channel, you see several bots who've posted there for free. What you do is, after you've used this bot on day 1, or you've had a first run on this and you've gotten your profit target, the next thing you do is to use another bot or apply another strategy. That should be the next thing you'll be doing. Okay, so don't repeat a strategy 2 or 3 times in a row. Okay, so you can use it once, twice maximum, and then you use another strategy, then another one. That's why you have to join our Telegram channel and download our bots and keep being in the Telegram channel, so that we can expose to you several other strategies you can apply to always be on the winning side in the markets. All right, so let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. So why risking? Why trading? Don't risk much more than you can afford to lose. All right, make sure you risk as much as you can afford to lose. Let's say uh, per stake, you can stake. If you have $100 less, you can stake maybe $1 for this particular strategy. You can start with a stake of maybe $10. All right, so this strategy, for each stake you have a profit, or you have a profit of I think more or less 30 something percent, maybe 33% profit. So if you risk $10 for each stake one, you'll be getting $3. So for that $100 account, you can just target uh, four losses, four losses, four losses in a row, four losses in a row. Okay, so let's watch and see. 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 Okay, there are 2 wins now in a row. Let's wait. Okay, now the next one, you see. All right, so we started with a stake of $200, and now because there was a loss, we had a lower martingale. That's, we reduced the stake by half of what we used initially, so as to be on the safer side. It is assumed that you've lost once. Could this be manipulation? Could it be that someone is monitoring my trade? So let me try to reduce my stake and see if I'll make a loss. So that was what happened here. So from 200, it has been reduced to 100. And now let's see what happens next. So now it's confirmed that we are back in the market. We are back in a profitable trade. Okay, so the next thing you're going to watch out for, I won't tell you what will happen. Okay, so myself, I already know some of the settings. So, but I want you to be patient and watch this video to the end so that you will know what to expect even while you are trading. All right. Okay, so the second, trading in a virtual hook. Okay, it's a loss, so we will still wait for two more 2 wins in a row from the virtual hook before we can switch over to our real accounts. Okay, so this strategy, in fact, if we did not add the virtual hook and we only traded in the account and we used proper martingale, let's say we began trading with 0.35, that's the least you can trade with on Deriv. Okay, if we started with that, I think, and we used the martingale, we'll still have our account secured. In fact, we'll have been in profits for now, because we can see so far we're having 4 wins in a row, 5 wins, 6 wins in a row, and so on and so forth. The maximum losses in a row we've had so far has been just 3. All right, so let's watch out and see. Now this is supposed to be okay, a loss. Let's be patient. You have to be patient. All right, if not, the market will humble you. Okay, you have to be patient when trading. Okay, if you become emotional and you feel the market is going to go against you, you can just leave the market till you are much more relaxed. All right, so but don't bring emotions into the market. If that's why you need to set your stop loss and then your take profit, so that the platform would not take you unawares. All right, so you can just set your bot, try it on the demo account when you are confident and the market is good to go, and the market is not having too many losses in a row. You switch over to your real account and then begin trading, and then just go off. Make sure your internet network is stable, so you won't have a lagging network, and then you just leave that environment, come back in about 10 to 15 minutes and see what you have. Okay, so but this strategy is very profitable, but first and foremost, try it on a demo account till you are confident it's working. But don't keep trying just this bot. All right, that's why you have to join our Telegram channel to get other bots and see other strategies. So now we are seeing a stake of $366.85. You see, we had $200. That was the initial stake. Now the martingale switched our stake to $100. Now, because we are now confident that the market is on our side and we are supposed to make profits, we now switched over to a higher stake than even the $200. All right, so you see how it goes. It tries to monitor the market. It tries to ensure that all is on our side. So you see 366. Now we are trying to recover our losses. From 366, it has been reduced to 245. All right, I believe it's going back to 200 even after this one. So we are very close to our take profit. You can see how many wins in a row: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Assuming we did not have a virtual hook, 8 wins in a row. That's cool money. So it means that this bot works very well. All right, this should be our okay. This we have 498. If I were you, this being a real account, if I were you, I would have just locked up this trade and just taken my profit. 498. There's no difference between 498 and $500. Just $2 difference. I would have just stopped the trade if I was monitoring this. But because of my promise to you, I want something above $500. I'm willing to wait here till it hits the take profit. So we can see how many wins in a row: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 wins in a row. In fact, this is the 11th win in a row, and now we are switching over to the real account. Let's see, let's watch and see. And is this a win? Yes, it's a win. That's our take profit target. All right, so I'll be stopping the bot here. It's nice having a good time with you. So if you stayed up to this point, I really appreciate you. Okay, so this bot is going to be in our Telegram group, and the link to that Telegram group is in the description of this video. All right, so in the description of this video, you will also find a link to register on Deriv. All right, so that you can be a profitable trader. We'll be bringing to you several strategies to make sure you are profitable in this market. There are lots of manipulations, so you would need to be guided. You would need to be tutored, okay, so you don't blow your account. All right, so you saw we have 11 wins and 1 loss, all right, in this trading session. All right, so it's not always like this. All right, so that's why you have to test this strategy first on a demo account. All right, don't be greedy. Don't just jump into using this strategy on your live account. Those who are greedy are those who always get burnt. All right, so I'm James the Trader again. I like to stop the video here, so have a nice time. Okay, so don't forget to like this video. It will really go a long way to show us that you are interested in this content. So look at it. Look at all the trades we've had so far. These are live trades. 11 wins, 1 loss. Okay, so 11 wins, 1 loss. So we have 564. Okay, so let me scroll up again. So these are live trades just for you to see. All right, so that will be all for now. All right, so have a nice time. Watch our other videos. All right, $564 just